Hello, students. I am Dr. Matthew Edwards, and welcome to Physical Science 102. I will be your instructor for this semester in this course. You may call me Dr. Edwards, or you may call me Mr. Edwards. Now, this course will be taught in the traditional hybrid mode. And what that means is that you will come to class on Tuesday in VM Chamber Hall, and on Thursday you will meet independently in an asynchronous mode. Now, this course then, since this will have an online component, you need to be quite disciplined. You need to be aware of timelines for due homework, or for homework when it's due, for examinations when the examinations will be given, and the necessarily due dates for those examinations. So you need to be very much aware of what's going on in the class from week to week. So I suggest that you log into the class online at least twice a week and see all the announcements, study the material that you have been assigned. There will be materials for you to consider, and stay abreast with the course. Also, if you wish to know more about me, you may do so by logging into www.aamu.edu and go to the physics department, check on my name, and information will come up there about me. So I expect to hear from you. You feel free to call me on my phone numbers, or dial or send me emails, and I will respond to you in a timely manner. So I wish you all the best in this course. I wish you good luck, of course, and I would like for you to stay in touch with me. So goodbye for now, and I'll stay in touch. Have a good day.